Okay, students, good morning to all. In previous class, I have discussed about universal of gravitation F equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. When two m1 m2 mass of objects separated r distance, the formula is applicable. F equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. Next one is the acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant capital G. The relation between small g and capital G. What is small g? Acceleration due to gravity, and capital G, universal gravitational constant. That is small g equal to capital G m by r square. And whenever object is projected vertically upwards, it reaches maximum height. The formula H maximum equal to u square by 2g. Now today we are going to discuss about related to the time equations, time of ascent, time taken to reach maximum height, time of descent, time taken to reach the ground, time of flight according to mathematically, time of ascent plus time of descent, and velocity to reach the ground. So these important equations we are going to learn. Time of ascent. What is time of ascent? Time taken by the object to reach maximum height. So what is the definition of time of ascent? Time taken by the object to reach maximum height. So it is belonging to vertically upwards. It is belonging to vertical upwards and reaches maximum height, so that what conditions are applied? Final velocity equal to 0 and acceleration due to gravity is minus g, because object is moving upwards and gravity is always downwards. Both are opposite, so E is taken minus g. Now we are going to take equation of motion number 3. Part number 3, equation of motion number 1, that is V equal to U plus AT. It is familiar for everyone. So substitute the values, substitute the conditions. V0, U, A minus G, and T. So 0 equal to U minus plus into minus minus GT, U minus GT equal to 0. U equal to GT. That implies T equal to U plus G. So time of ascent formula. What is the time of ascent formula? U by G. Once again I am going to explain. Time of ascent. What is the definition of time of ascent? Time taken by the object to reach maximum height. What conditions are applicable? When it reaches maximum height, final velocity decreases and becomes 0. So V equal to 0 and acceleration due to gravity is negative. Why? Because object motion is upwards and gravity downwards, both are opposite. And take equation of motion number 1, V equal to U plus AT. Substitute 0 equal to U. A means what? Minus GT. U minus GT equal to 0, U minus GT equal to 0, U equal to GT, and T equal to U by G. So time of ascent formula, initial velocity by acceleration due to gravity. Time of descent. What is time of descent? Time of descent is defined time taken by the object, time taken for the object to reach surface of the ground. Once again, time taken for the object to reach surface of the ground. So that the definition completely belonging to vertically downwards. Vertically downwards. Vertically downwards, what are the conditions applied? Beginning, the initial velocity is 0. Upwards v 0 to reach maximum height, but freely falling body. Initially u equal to 0 and a will be taken. Object is moving downwards, gravity downwards, both are same direction. That's why A plus G will be taken. Now take equation of motion number 2. Equation of motion number 2. What is equation of motion number 2? That is S equal to ut plus of 80 square. S equal to ut plus of 80 square. Now apply the condition. S is the distance or displacement is converted height. In the case of freely falling body, vertical upwards. U is 0. 0 into T plus of A is converted plus G and T square. Now H equal to, this value is 0 plus half GT square. Now you know the mathematics. T square equal to 2 is coming here, 2 is coming as numerator and G is coming as denominator of this fraction. So finally what we are having, T square equal to 2h by G. That implies T square equal to 2h by G and T equal to square root of 2h by G. Now the time is nothing but time of descent equal to square root of 2h by G. Now we are going to prove time of ascent equal to time of descent and the magnitude under influence of the gravity. What I am saying? We are going to equalize time of ascent equal to time of descent in magnitude under influence of the gravity. How it will be? First of all, time of ascent. What you got recently? Initial velocity by acceleration due to gravity, u by g. This is equation number 1. Time of descent. What is the formula? 2h by g. Time of descent formula square root of 2h by g. This is equation number 2. In previous class, we have discussed h maximum equal to u square by 2g. H maximum u square by 2g. This is equation number 3. Now I am going to substitute third equation into second equation. I am going to substitute h means maximum height. Why? Because while it is reaching the ground, object is reaching the surface, it travelled maximum height distance. So h maximum is about u square by 2g. This value is going to substitute time of descent square root of 2h by g. Time of descent. What is the formula of time of descent? Square root of 2h by g. I am going to substitute the h value, maximum height value. H means what? U square by 2g. 2 to cancel. And what we are having? U square by g square. Square root of u square by g square. And that equal to u by g. Now time of descent equal to what you are having? U by g. Already you learned time of ascent u by g. Time of descent is also u by g. So that we can say that time of ascent equal to time of descent under influence of the gravity. Time of flight. Another important terminology related to the time. What is time of flight? Generally, time of flight is the time for the object to be projected and land. Time taken for the object to be projected and land. So, that is called time of flight. Especially time of flight depends upon initial velocity, angle of projection. Of course, angle of projection, projectile objects we will learn in IIT foundation courses. Up to that you have to mind it. Time of flight, mathematically, it is indicated by the letter capital T. Equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. Mathematically, the time of flight is equal to time of ascent and time of descent. This is the mathematical definition. And time of ascent, u by g. Actually, time of descent formula square root of 2h by g. I already introduced it. But it is also equalized. U by g in magnitude. So what is the LCM? Small g. And u plus u, 2u. So time of flight capital T equal to U by G. Velocity to the ground. So it is going to condition object is going downwards direction. To reach the ground means it is nothing but downward direction. Object is moving downward direction. We can easily say downward direction. What are the conditions applied? Downward directions. Initial velocity 0 and A equal to plus G. I have taken equation of motion number 3. Equation of motion number 3. What is equation of motion number 3? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Substitute the values, substitute the conditions. In the case of freely falling body, vertically downwards, U0, A plus G. So V square minus U means what? 0 square. 2 A means what? Plus G. Y plus G. Object is moving downwards and acceleration due to gravity. Earth gravity downwards. So S is converted H and V square equal to 2GH and V equal to square root of 2GH. V equal to square root of 2GH. G means acceleration due to gravity or gravity of Earth. H means what? Height.